Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good. I am Miss Sylvia, and today I am going to teach you value education, that is moral science. Okay, and today we are going to study chapter number 9, Animals Are Our Friends. Okay. So, first of all, tell me, do you love animals? Yes, we all love animals. Which animal do you like the most? Dog, cat, elephant? Which animal do you like? I like dog. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to study that animals are our friends. Be good to animals. They will be good to you. Okay. So we should be good to the animals and they will also be good to us. Okay. You go to a park to play. Some children are throwing pebbles at a puppy and laughing. What will you do? You will join them? No. Then you will try to stop them. Okay? We should not hurt animals. Now, here is a story about an elephant. Okay? And the tailor. What is the name of that elephant? Appu. And the tailor. Okay, tailor means the person who stitches clothes. Okay, so Ramdeen lived in a small town. Okay, so Ramdeen is a tailor. Okay, and he used to live in a very small town, very small place. Okay, he was a tailor. Okay, so what do you mean by tailor? Tailor means the person who stitches clothes. He was not a kind man. He was not a good man. Okay? Why he was not a good man? That we are going to see now. In the same town, there lived an elephant called Appu. Okay? So in the same town, there is an elephant whose name is Appu. Every morning, Appu crossed the market to go to the river. Okay, what did Appu do every morning? He used to cross the market to go to the river. Okay, he wants to go to the river and every morning he goes through the market. Okay, he has to cross the market to reach the river. The shopkeepers gave bananas and sugarcane to it. Appu loved to eat them. Okay, so the shopkeepers in the market, they used to give bananas and sugarcane to the elephant, to Appu. Okay, and he used to love those bananas and the sugarcane. Okay. Ramdeen did not like Appu. He never gave anything to it. Okay, so this tailor, this Ramdeen, he did not like Appu. Okay, he never used to give anything to Appu. One day, when Appu crossed his shop, he took a big needle and pricked its trunk. See what he is doing to Appu? See in the picture, he took a big needle, okay, and he pricked in his nose. See how Appu is crying? Appu screamed in pain, okay. Screamed means he shout loudly in pain. Okay, he was in pain. He got hurted. Okay, so from the next day, it started going from the other side of the road. Okay, so now Appu changed his path. He started going from the other side of the road. Why? Because why did he choose the another road? Because in the first road, this Ramdin tailor, he did not like Appu. Okay, so therefore Appu changed his path. Then see what happened next. One day, Appu saw Ramdin going home with many bags. He dropped one of them on the way. He did not notice it, but Appu did. Okay. So what happened one day? One day Appu saw Ramdin. Okay. And Ramdin was going with so many bags. As he was tailor, he used to carry the clothes. Okay. And on this day, Ramdin has so many bags. Okay. So what happened? He dropped one of them. Okay. He dropped one of the bag. And Ramdin was not knowing. He was going to the shop. Okay. Then what happened? Appu saw that Ramdin dropped one bag. Okay. It picked up the bag with its trunk and went to Ramdin's house. So now what happened? This Appu, he picked up the bag with its trunk. Okay, he picked up the bag with its trunk and went to Ramdin's house. Okay, to return that bag. Ramdin was very happy to get his bag back. Okay, now Ramdin became very happy because his bag was lost, and now Appu returned that bag to Ramdin. So Ramdin was very happy. It had clothes he had stitched for other people. Okay, so he had clothes that Ramdin has stitched for the people. He felt very sorry for the way he had treated Appu. Okay, so Ramdin felt very sorry. He felt very bad because he had treated Appu very badly. Yes or no? He pricked in his trunk. Therefore, Ramdin felt very sorry. He thanked Appu and gave it a big bunch of bananas to eat. Okay, so now what Ramdin gave? He gave a big bunch of bananas to Appu. He had learned to be kind to animals. Okay, so what Ramdin learned? He learned that we should be kind to animals. Okay, we should not hurt them. Understood all of you? Because animals are very good. They help us. Okay, so therefore we should not hurt them. We should be kind to animals. Understood? Now see the question. Circle the correct answer. Two answers are given here in the red color. Okay, what you have to do? You have to circle the correct answer. Ramdin was kind or unkind to Appu? What is the correct answer? Unkind. Okay, Ramdin was unkind to Appu. He did not like Appu. Second one. Most people gave bananas or clothes to Appu. What did people give Appu? Bananas. Okay, so which is the correct answer? Bananas. Then see the third one. Appu was a good or bad friend to the tailor. How was Appu? He was very good. Okay, he was a good friend. Then, animals are our enemies or friends? Animals are our friends or enemies? They are our friends. They are not our enemies. Okay, understood? Then see the next question. Read the poem. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Okay, so this Mary had one lamb, okay, whose fleece is as white as snow. It is very white in color. So Mary loved her little lamb. That is why the lamb liked to be around her. It followed her everywhere she went. Mark a tick on the things you think Mary did for the lamb to show her love for it. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to tick the words that Mary used to do for her lamb. Okay. So first is gave it food. Yes, Mary gave food to her lamb. So tick their right mark. Then pet the lamb. She used to pet the lamb. Yes. Then pulled its tail. Did she pull the lamb's tail? No, this is wrong. Then spend time with it. Yes, this is right. Teased it? No, this is wrong. Then was kind to it? Yes, Mary was kind to her lamb. Then see, here are some pictures. Number the pictures in the correct order. Then circle yes or no. Talk about what you will do in these situations. Okay, see the first one. Ria brings milk. Okay. Then second is the cat sleeps. Then the cat drinks it. Okay. Then see here. What you have to do? You have to number the pictures in correct order. Okay. So which is the first picture? Yes, first picture is this one, because Ria brings milk for the cat. Then second one, this is number 2. Okay, because when Ria brings the milk, the cat drinks it. This is number 2. Then after drinking, the cat sleeps. See, she drank all the milk and then she sleeps. This is number 3. Then, is Ria kind to the cat? Yes or no? Yes, Ria is kind to the cat because she gave milk to the cat. So children, in the same way, this second and third one is homework for you. Okay, you have to read the sentences and you have to put the correct numbers and then tick whether it is yes or no. Understood all of you? Thank you.